Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vlog. Hello guys, yan guys, happy Sunday. So yan, kamusta kayo? So yan, for today's video guys is, kasama ko yun sa aming trip namin today is, yun nga, magtamang ano lang kami, mag-diliwalo sa park. And ngayon is pupunta kami ngayon sa Vermosa. So yan, then, nakapag-vlog na ako dyan before. So ngayon, noong nakaraan, pupunta kami Vermosa para mag-roller skate. Kaso di kami pinayagan kasi wala kaming helmet, wala kaming protector gear. So, di rin namin alam. Pero this time, nakaraan is modder ako ng helmet and mga kailangan sa katawan para payagan kami. Kasi, naiintindihan ko naman kasi ni-implement lang naman nila yung, yung safety. And mas maganda na rin yung sumunod kasi para rin naman sa atin yan. So, ngayon is, yan, nakaredy na si Daniel. Wala si CJ na sa Isabela. Tapos, ako lang at si Mal. Kami tatlo lang. Si JM dito lang sa bahay. Then, yun nga, ang gagawin ni Daniel doon is magbabike. So, kahapon is pinagawa ko yung bike niya, pinagawa ko yung likod para magamit niya kasi ang laki ng ginanda ng Vermosa, promise guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yan dito sa vlog. Kung itong vlog ko na to, yan yung unang Vermosa vlog namin. Yan lang yung pwedeng ikutan nyo. Ngayon mas malawak na ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung ganap sa Vermosa. Para sa akin, the best na to sa akin kasi, alam mo yun, andito na yung park, andyan lang yung ball, so after yung yun mag-bike, mag-rollerblade, kung ano mga activity, ando lang yung Ayala Mall, nasa harap lang. Kaya sulit na sulit niya talaga pag kasama niyo yung family niyo. So ngayon is nag-book na kami kasi may mga dala-dala din kami. Yun yung bag na yun. Andun yung gamit namin, tas tubig, tas andun yung bike ni Daniel. Yung sasakyan. So natin na lang yung Grab. Then yun. So guys, samahan niyo ako sa vlog na to at pakikita ko sa inyo yung ganda ng Vermosa ngayon. So dyan lang kayo. So yan guys, nandito na kami. So nandito kami ngayon sa Ayala Mall. So yun o. So tara na guys, pupunta na tayo sa Vermosa. So yan guys, welcome back. So yan guys, nandito na kami sa sa gitna ng Vermosa Park. So yan. So dito na magpapalit, maglalagay ng mga gear. So yan, nakita niyo naman ganda ng Vermosa ngayon. So sa mga Cavite Pips dyan, sa mga gusto nyo mag-try, so try na kayo dito sa Vermosa. And sigurado mag-enjoy kayo. Guys, dyan lang kayo at mag-ano lang ako, maglalagay lang ng gear. Tara guys, skate na tayo. Let's roll!
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move.
So yan guys, welcome back. So yan guys, update lang. So yan, medyo hiningal ako ng slides. Yun. Sobrang lawak na nitong Vermosa. Woo! Sobrang lawak na ng ano mo dito, iikutan. So yan. So na-try kong umikot. So yan. Sobrang lawak. So nandun yung una-una namin pinuntahan dito sa Vermosa. So yan, mapapansin na namin ditong nag-jogging, nagbo-bike, nag-zumba, walking, family banding. So yan, maraming magagawa dito sa Vermosa, kaya punta na kayo.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
So yun guys, welcome back. So yun guys, pauwi na kami. So yan, nandito kami sa loob ng Ayala Mall. Then nag-withdraw muna doon sa loob si Mahal kasi bawal kami kasi may dala-dala si Daniel na bike. Bawal yung bike sa loob. So yun guys, sobrang sulit namin ni Daniel yung ano namin, trip for today yun. Manap. So sa mag-bike sa malawak na lugar. Then ako is tamang inikot ko talaga yung loob ng Bermosa.
Hinahanap ko si
ang saya.
Papay.
So yun guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong lugar na to, dahil nyo na yan dito sa Bermosa, dito na yan sa Cavite. So punta na kayo with your family, friends, mga teammate, basta bahala kayo sa sama, basta punta kayo dito, i-try nyo yung ganda itong lugar nitong Bermosa. So yun guys, hanggang dito na naman ang aking video vlog. So after nyo mapanood ang video to, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like at subscribe para mas update kayo sa aking mga next ganap vlog. So hanggang dito naman muna, bye bye and stay safe, good night!